Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Notion Calendar and Google Calendar in terms of what is the best for productivity. If you're looking to boost your productivity in the usage of the calendar, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Google Calendar is like your trusty digital assistant, keeping track of your life's events. It helps you balance client calls and personal commitments. Google Calendar simplifies scheduling by allowing you to share your calendar with colleagues or clients. This eliminates the need for back and forth emails and makes finding mutually convenient meeting times easy. If needed, you can still use multiple Google Calendar accounts to manage your personal or work calendars separately, yet on the same platform. If you live in Google's ecosystem, you can create events directly from an email, attach files to meetings, or even generate video conference links with Google Meet. Visual learners will appreciate the ability to color code events based on the task type. Work meetings in green and deadlines in red. This makes your calendar visually appealing and enhances your ability to categorize events quickly. You can stay on top of your commitments with customizable reminders, alerting you minutes or weeks before an event. Google Calendar can also be accessed through Gemini, an advanced AI assistant that simplifies scheduling. Gemini can also automate scheduling by suggesting optimal meeting times based on participants' availability, reducing the time spent coordinating schedules. Here's the pricing of Google Workspace. Notion Calendar is a flexible and customizable calendar tool integrated into the broader Notion ecosystem. It allows you to plan, write, and get organized all in one place. Notion Calendar's auto-blocking feature ensures you won't accidentally schedule overlapping events. You can plan your day without the risk of conflicts by viewing all your commitments in one unified view. Notion Calendar seamlessly integrates with other Notion features such as databases, notes, and wikis. Notion lets you tailor your calendar to fit your preferences, whether you prefer a monthly overview, a weekly breakdown, or a daily checklist. This flexibility is a lifesaver if you switch between project timelines and multiple client deadlines. Notion Calendar's Kanban-style task management feature lets you visualize your tasks and deadlines clearly and intuitively. You can embed notes and documents directly into your calendar events. This means you can have all the information you need right at your fingertips. Notion AI is excellent for managing and organizing content, such as drafting meeting agendas, creating action items, or summarizing stored information. Here's the pricing of Notion. With the above information, you can easily decide what suits you in your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.